Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're searching for a premium 4K dash cam that balances price, performance, and smart safety features, today's product is a very strong contender. This is the 70mai A810 4K dash cam front and rear, a dual-channel dash camera designed for drivers who want clear evidence, intelligent monitoring, and full-time protection for their car. Let's start with the most important part, video quality. The front camera records in true 4K resolution, powered by Sony STARVIS 2 HDR night vision technology. This sensor dramatically improves low-light performance. Whether you're driving at night, in rain, fog, or poorly lit streets, the footage remains bright, detailed, and readable, especially license plates and road markings. The rear camera provides reliable rear coverage, ensuring incidents from behind are also recorded. Together, the dual-camera setup gives you complete situational awareness while driving or parked. One of the standout features is 4G LTE support, optional module. This allows the dash cam to stay connected even when you're away from your vehicle. You can receive real-time alerts on your phone if motion is detected or if your car is impacted, making it ideal for street parking or long-term parking situations. The AI motion detection system intelligently identifies humans and vehicles, minimizing false alerts caused by shadows or random movements. Combined with 24/7 parking mode, your car stays protected around the clock. The dashcam also includes time-lapse recording, which compresses hours of parked footage into short clips. This saves storage while still capturing every important event during parking. For daily driving safety, the ADAS system offers lane departure warnings, forward collision alerts, and driving assistance, especially helpful on highways and long-distance trips. You also get built-in GPS, which records speed, route, and location data directly into the video file. This information is extremely useful for insurance claims and legal protection. With built-in Wi-Fi, you can instantly connect to the 70mai app to review, download, and share footage without removing the memory card. Overall, the 70mai A810 is a well-balanced dash cam that delivers flagship-level video quality, intelligent AI features, and reliable connectivity, without unnecessary complexity. If you want sharp 4K footage, smart parking protection, and trusted 70mai reliability, check the link below and grab the 70mai A810 on Amazon. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and drive safe.